Nagsimula lang po siya sa single motorcycle and bike retail store sa Quezon City noong 2010, ang Cyclus Concept Incorporated.
At dahil sa tagumpay ng Cyclus Concept, ginawaran sila bilang most promising member ng Association of Filipino Franchisers noong 2017. Nitong 2020, rank number 11 na po ang kumpanya bilang most sought-after franchise mula naman sa Franchise PH. Kasama ho natin si Mr. Jeff Chua. Siya po ang founder at president and CEO ng Cyclus Concept Incorporated.
Napaka-inspiring naman, no? Nagsimula sa iisang bike, single bike. What tell us about it?
You know what, tayo naman mga Filipino, ang inspiration natin yung family, di ba? So that's when it started, it motivated me to have a backup plan. And during that time, motorcycle and bike, walang professional repair shop.
Mga anong year yan?
2010. And through the grace of God, we still now have the highest number of bike stores in the country. And we were blessed for the last how many years, di ba? Pero it's just really having faith talaga, susubok talaga. So, syempre marami tayong natulungan. I think yun ang pinaka-importante sa pagnenegosyo. Yung income, yung profit, it's just a byproduct lang eh. Ang focus talaga dapat yung genuine help dun sa customer. Yun yung pinaka-importante. And we never took advantage. I want to be honest, straightforward, and we never took advantage. Kung ano yung price namin, yung pa rin.
Ayun. Thank you so much,
Message na lang
Jeff
ho kayo sa kanila.
Chua.
Thank you, Jeff Chua.
Thank you so much.
Negosyo.